Okay. So students, we are revising Excel topic, and I am opening the file, countries file, because we practice all the things in this file. Just tell me, uh, which column have I selected? Which column have I selected? Yes. Which column have I selected? Anyone can answer it? Sorry.
Country table.
Sorry.
Country.
No. Which column have I selected right now? Column D, because I have selected this column. Now just tell me again. Now which column have I selected? Which column?
Sir, column B.
Column B. Now what I have selected right now? What I have selected right now? Can anybody tell me what I have?
Row 12.
Row 12. Row 12. Excellent. Now can you tell me? Can you tell me what I have? Where is the cursor right now? Where is the cursor right now?
B20.
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 Okay. Excellent. Excellent. And one thing more. Can you tell me, when you open your Excel file, when you open your Excel sheet, Excel 2013, how many sheets are there? When you open,
3 sheets.
no, listen, when you open Excel 2007 like this one, so you have 3 sheets, but in Excel 2013 by default there are only 1 sheet. Now you can,
1 sheet.
yes, and you can add as many sheets as you want. Like I am inserting a new sheet. How many sheets are there in my this file, countries file right now? How many sheets are there?
Sheet 1.
Only 1 sheet.
1.
Can I add more? Can I add more? Can I add more sheet?
Yes.
Yes, definitely. I will click on sheet and insert blank sheet. Okay, so you can see a new sheet is added. Can I give the sheet to a name? Can I give it a name like
Yes, sir.
Ahmed? Yes,
Sir, पानी दो इधर.
I can give it a name. For example, I'm giving it name result, right? I can give it a name. Fine. So yes, sir. Now other thing is that, can anybody tell me, uh, you can see the screen, can you tell me the address of Pakistan? Address of Pakistan. Where is Pakistan in this sheet? Can you tell me the address? Can you? Yes. Can you?
सर आवाज आ रही है?
Yes.
B5.
B5. Conan, you answered it. Who answered it?
सर मैं अभी भी आया हूँ.
Yes. Pakistan is on B5. Correct.
B5.
B5. Where is Islamabad in this sheet? Where is Islamabad in this sheet?
D5. D5.
D5. Where is India?
D.
Where is India?
D9.
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 Acha, who can tell me what is the total of C9 and B12? What is the total of C9 and B12? What is the total of C9 and B12? Can you tell?
C9, B12. 30.
Who said it? Who said it? Who said it? Why? Correct. Yes. Excellent.
Sir,
Z. Yes, Z. Correct. Your answer is correct. C9. See this. This is C9 and this is B12. So what is the total? What is the sum? 30. 10 plus 20. 30. I give you easy sum because you don't need to do a lot of calculation. Okay. Can you tell me the total of B12 and D10. B12 and D10.
40.
40. As simple as that, right? Where is Saudi Arabia in this sheet? What is the address of Saudi Arabia in this sheet?
B14.
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 Yes, B14. Okay. Can you tell me where is my email address? Hamood7778@gmail.com. Where is it? Hamood, can you tell me?
E13. E13.
E.
13.
13.
Fine. Yeah, it is started from E13. Fine. So these were some of the revision. Now I will move. I can. I will tell you how to attempt the Kahoot.
आपकी आवाज हल्की आ रही है.
Okay. Now can you hear me clearly?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Fine. Fine. So I will take your attendance in the last. Mind it. If anybody leaves the class, he will not be marked present. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Till end of the class. Fine. So I'm telling you how to attempt the Kahoot, and I'm sharing its link. See this.
Okay, sir.
This Kahoot. Hold on. Just see it. This one, grade 5, and I'm sharing that Kahoot in your. Can you open your grade 5 regular group, WhatsApp group? Yes. Okay. Can you open the site kahoot.it in your mobile? Boys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Open in your mobile. Open this site. What I'm telling you, that in your mobile, open this site Kahoot, right? Kahoot.
Net download कीजिए Kahoot app.
Yes, kahoot.it. Go to the site Kahoot. Sorry, this is not. This is Kahoot. Kahoot.it. Kahoot.it. Beta, have you opened this site Kahoot.it? See this. You will see the screen like this. Kahoot.it. Have you?
Sir, game है ना?
Yes, it's a Kahoot game about Microsoft Excel. I have made it for you to check your basic understanding. Have you opened this site Kahoot.it? KAHOOT.IT. Kahoot.it. Have you opened it?
Yes, sir.
And now you will enter the game pin, this one. See this. Copy, right? And you will enter that game pin.
बहुत सारे ऑप्शन आ रहे हैं ऑनलाइन.
You can see on the screen.
कैसीनो गेम.
Beta, I will share this Kahoot on grade 5 group also, right? Grade 5 group also. But right in this class, you have to attempt this Kahoot. You will enter that key 01157 011.
पर इसके अंदर बहुत ऑप्शन आ रहे हैं ना. काहूट गेम्स, फ्री ऑनलाइन गेम.
No, listen. You will just go here, Kahoot.it.
जो आपका कोड था वो भी डालना.
अरे एक दफा दोबारा से करके दिखा दें.
सर कोड गलत है.
What are you saying, Zaid?
कोड गलत है सर.
How? Acha, let me check it. This one, I have entered this code, and now I'm entering.
गेम पिन गलत आ रही.
Game pin is wrong. Okay.
सर हमारे पास भी यही हो रहा है.
Okay, just let me check it. Hold on.
अरे एक दफा शुरू से काहूट. खोल के दिखा दे।
Hold on.
hill, I gave up. Hill. Alhamda, I gave up. Do I gave up? Hamza Zabar Hamim Zabar
Okay, try it in another way. Why? Listen, I am.
Yes, sir.
I am try it in another way. I am copying its link, right? In your grade 5, right?
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, this one. I am pasting it here, right? This one. Go to your WhatsApp group 5A regular and just click on the link. Can you do it? बेटा आप ग्रेड 5 के WhatsApp ग्रुप में जाएं. आपको ये लिंक
सर आ गया.
Okay, now attempting it, right? It's very simple 5 easy questions and each question
अभी मोबाइल मेरे पास नहीं है तो सर मैं लैपटॉप पे क्लास ले रहा हूँ मोबाइल मेरे पापा के पास
व्हाट्सएप वेब खोल के कर लो।
सर मेरे पास मोबाइल नहीं है
ओके देखें जिनके पास अभी मोबाइल है वो इसको अटेम्प्ट करें और मुझे स्कोर बताएं. मैं इधर से स्कोर देखूंगा और जिनके पास नहीं है मैं इसको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर कर दूंगा. आप बाद में अटेम्प्ट कर लिएगा. इज इट क्लियर?
ओके सर.
ओके नाउ अटेम्प्ट इट.
हाँ वही भेजना तो मैं लगाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
Yes, like this. Can you see the screen? This is the Kahoot first question. It has been loaded. Can you see the Excel file?
सर मैं खेल रहा हूँ Kahoot.
Okay.
सर मैं चला रहा हूँ.
Okay, do it and I am.
सर
Yes.
सर एक दो गेम पिन का पासवर्ड बता देंगे.
Yeah, I am just correcting the game pin also. So can you?
सर कोई आसान सी रखिएगा.
सर मन नहीं लग रहा मेरा फोन. ये बता करूँगा.
Yes.
सर मैंने कर लिया.
Okay. What is your score? Who did it first?
सर मैं अलीबुल्ला बाबर. सर 4346.
Okay, mashallah. Then see who beats you. Okay, fine.
सर इन्हें भी कर लिया.
Right. Hold on. Play. Beta, can you see the game pin?
सर मेरा हो गया।
I will see your score from my computer
Sir.
also. Let you tell me what is your score.
सर 5,512।
More than
Highest, sir.
Habibullah Babar. Okay.
यस सर।
Beta, enter this pin. Beta, this pin 011573991.
सर इसको
और-
कॉपी करके
और-
सेंड कैसे करूं?
hold on. Boys, those who are joining the Kahoot from their PC or laptop, you can enter this pin 011573991. Is it clear now?
मैंने
Zero-
कंप्यूटर में की थी लेकिन वो वैसी हो गई, मैंने वैसी कर दिया।
Okay,
पेमेंट
fine.
डाले बगैर।
So let me check it.
आते
How
के
many-
बाद
see this.
सर मेरे पास मोबाइल नहीं है, जब मोबाइल अगर जब कर लूं
Okay. I will share it in your WhatsApp group also. Right?
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
Okay, fine. So let me see who have attempted. Zaid 5A
Yes.
5512, mashallah. And then Habibullah, you give 4 correct answer. That is why you are getting 80%. Right, Habibullah. And then Abdul Rafi, 60%. 3 correct questions. And Muhammad, who is that? Khalil?
सर खलील।
But why have you typed your spelling wrongly? Anyhow,
सर
so
उसके अंदर ऑप्शन आता है क्या?
but you all have to attempt that Kahoot. And,
सर एडिशन
sorry. And some of the in the next classes, sometime we will attempt Kahoot like today, and sometime we will. work
आप
on-
डिक्टेट करवा दे मुझे सर, व्हाट्सएप में शेयर कर दे। आप गेम पे मुझे डिक्टेट करवा दे, मैं अभी खेल लूं। सर आप व्हाट्सएप में शेयर कर दे।
Okay. I am repeating.
व्हाट्सएप पे है कॉनन।
Yes. Hold on. This one.
एक दफा मिला करते हैं।
This one I am sharing on WhatsApp. 011573991. Copy. Here. Grade 5.
सर फिर
Right.
से डिक्टेट कर दे
Hold on.
ताकि मैं लिख लूं।
I have shared it on WhatsApp also.
सर आप अभी बता दे, मुझे डिक्टेट करा दे।
011 573991. You can see on the screen. 57391. You can see on the screen also. Here on the lower right corner. Right?
यस सर, मैंने कर लिया।
And Zaid and others, Habibullah Babar, have you attempted Kahoot in other subjects also? Which
No,
subject? Only computer? But they will definitely give you. I'm telling you, the other teacher will also give you the game pin of their subject, like English and maths teacher. They will give you. So you should be able to attempt the Kahoot immediately, like some of you attempted today. Zaid and Habibullah Babar, Muhammad Khalil, but his answer were not correct. Definitely, for attempting the Kahoot of the subject, you must have the subject knowledge. अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि एक्सेल में क्या है, तो हमने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में जो लर्न किया था उसकी बुनियाद पर ही तो आप Kahoot में आंसर कर रहे हैं, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So whatever subject Kahoot you are playing, first you must have the sound knowledge of that subject. जो भी टॉपिक है उसके बारे में मालूमात हो, तभी तो आप Kahoot सही प्ले करेंगे, क्योंकि सारे टॉपिक हम उसी में से क्वेश्चंस उसी में से हम बनाते हैं.
सर मेरी बात सुने।
Yes, Conan.
सर मेरा गेम नहीं आ रहा।
गेम नहीं आ रहा. Have you entered the pin 011573991?
सर वो आया नहीं।
क्या नहीं आया? आपने Kahoot कहाँ पे गए? Kahoot.it पे गए? Kahoot.it.
सर वहाँ गया।
हाँ, उसमें ये गेम पिन एंटर की.
क्या कर रहा हूँ? क्या कर दिया?
This like this.
ओ सर।
सर अगर पेन डालेंगे तो खुद ब खुद खुल जाएगा।
Yes, definitely. ये है ना. अब इसकी जो पिन है 0.
सर आ गया।
ये इसकी करेक्ट पिन है. I am entering it and I will enter the Kahoot that I made for you. See this one, this Kahoot. Okay. Anyone who has else who has attempted? Only four players. Only 4 players.
सर मैंने अटेम्प्ट कर लिया लेकिन आपके पास आ रही नहीं है।
No. Yes, I have attempted. Sorry, this one. Habib, Zaid, Habibullah, Shaji got 3,000 something marks. Habibur Rahman got. Can you see the screen? You all can see the screen.
हबीब 5
Habib. Now he is on the top, more than Zaid, grade 5. He got 5,942. Right. And only 2 students, Habib and Zaid, gave all 5 questions correct. Okay. Abdur Rafi got 2,900 something. Sufyan Gul got 2. So, and Muhammad Khalil and Habib 5A. Beta, you both are Habib. Please, have you attempted again? No, how many Habibs are there? 2 Habib, na? Habibur Rahman and Habibullah Babar.
यस
सर मैं लगा रहा हूँ। मैं लगा रहा हूँ।
Okay. So,
मैं आया हूँ सर।
yeah, this was the another Kahoot we played today, and sometimes it may happen that I share the Kahoot game pin and its link in the WhatsApp group.
Kahoot अभी किया है।
Yes.
मेरा ये कैसे आ रहा है?
सर ये तो खेल भी सकते हैं।
Yes. This one.
मैंने Kahoot अभी किया
सर
है।
इसमें सवाल होंगे ना।
Who are you?
5,810 आ रहे हैं।
Fine, but your let me check it again.
Kahoot
So I am taking your attendance now. Now the class is going to be ended.
आपने देखा क्या? I also come.
Hold on. This one. It's not updating the record, but who you are? Sufyan Gul.
शेयर स्क्रीन अलाउ करें, मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ।
Okay, I will see it in the next class, inshallah, because time is up and I have to take another class, right? And what I was saying that sometime it may happen that I share the game pin or Kahoot ID in the WhatsApp group, and you have to attempt it through your cell phone. Okay, and but for this you do keep practicing MS Excel. Okay, inshallah we will continue it in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Recite dua with me. Rabbi yassir wa la tuwassir wa tammim bil khair wa bika nasta'in ya fattahu ya fattahu ya fattahu. Ilma Rabbi zidni ilma Rabbi zidni ilma. Now you may leave the class, but who is asking? Conan, you are asking something? Conan?
सर मैं आया हूँ। आया मैं।
I'm checking, but it's not showing the result. Let me check it again. What's happening?
सर मैं 5th हो गया।
Okay. Let's see. Okay, we will see it in the next class. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
सर मैं हट गया। सर मैं लीव कर सकता हूँ?
Yes, you may. You all may leave the class. The class is ended. I'm just saving your class file. Okay, you may leave the class.
Sir, you leave me. Sir, I leave.
Okay, fine.
Sir, Shaji is present today.
Okay, those who were present till last, I have taken the snapshot. So-
अमित, ये शजी की पहली क्लास है।